Welcome to your first tutorial on how to use Wrangler for rounding up research writing tools. To access Wrangler, you should go to wrangler.okstate.edu. From there, you will see this homepage. If you are joining us for the very first time, please go to Get an Account. Otherwise, you can go to Wrangler Login. That will bring you to this screen where you can put a unique username, email, and password. Make sure to confirm your password and write it down so that you don't forget. If you are taking this or using Wrangler as part of a class, please put your class code here, and you can get that class code from your instructor. At that point, you can register. The Wrangler homepage currently looks like this, just to give you easy access to the 4 modules that we have. We have the Learn module, the Analyze module, Explore module, and Write module. Stay tuned, there's more features coming, but I'm going to be showing you the basics of each of these modules so that you have a big picture of what Wrangler can do for you. Let's start with the Learn module. The Learn module looks something like this. You have the title of the section that you're working on. This section is Introduction. You can change the section to the right, going to Methods, Results, or Discussion. Below this top header, there are thumbnails that show the videos that are available. These videos are all right around 3 minutes or less. There may be a couple that are slightly longer, but we want to make sure that they are engaging and short enough that we don't make you fall asleep. Those videos conveniently are tied to this note-taking feature. If you take notes here while you're watching the videos, then you can later show all notes that you have taken. And we have the option coming for you to download them into a Word document so that you have them close at hand. Once you've finished watching the video that you're currently on, you can choose Next, and that will bring you to the next one. That's the basics of the Learn module, so let's now turn to the Analyze module. When it's your first time going to the Analyze module, you will have this box show up that will ask you to upload a text or copy and paste a text. I'll provide a different tutorial for how to do all these features, but the gist of the Analyze module is for you to have tools at hand that will help you to analyze model articles in your field. Ideally, you will put together 10 or so articles that represent strong writing on your topic or in your field more generally. And we will be looking at those articles based off of what you learned in the Learn module or the videos about goals and strategies that you use to communicate in your writing. Again, I will have a separate tutorial specifically about this module. So for now, let's turn to the Explore module. The Explore module also has a lot of different features that I'm going to present to you in a separate tutorial. But for now, this is what you can think about as just a basic search engine. If you wanted to search for a certain language that's related to knowledge that you gain from the Learn module, you will be able to do that by searching in this toolbar and then getting lots of hits for language that shows you similar structures or new structures that you're discovering. These, what we call language use patterns, can be used for helping you during times of writer's block, or can help you as a springboard for discovering new language features or language structures that you want to incorporate into your own writing. Again, I'll talk about this module a little bit later, but the idea here is to help you discover how language can be used to create meaning. Now, when you find language that is of interest to you, for example, a research area of great interest, right? This feature can be saved in what we call the lasso tool. This lasso button here brings up our framework that you learn about in the Learn module, where you can add a pattern, for example, the one that we just saw, or you can get feedback from your instructor, which would also be included here. I will again provide more information about that later, so let's go ahead and go to the Write module. You can see my tutorial about the Write module in particular a little bit later, but for now the Write module is meant to be a location where you can put your own writing. For example, you can have your... Later on, I'm going to provide you with a tutorial for the Write module, but for now, just to give you the big picture, the Write module is to enable you to have your writing right here in Wrangler, so that you can have Wrangler tools close at hand. For example, right when you log into this module, you will see this option of including a draft. You can copy and paste, or you can begin writing here right away. There's different sections here, so you have an introduction, your methods, results, discussion. If you didn't include anything, it will say something is wrong, select or create a new file above. So I will show you how to do this properly when we go to the Write module tutorial. So as you can see, there's a lot of features within Wrangler, and many of them will be very new to you. But hang in there, because the intent is providing you with this new approach to writing so that you can heighten your understanding of the research writing process and heighten your awareness of what you already know so that you can strengthen your current skills and move forward towards publication.